Wow, good morning team, how are you? In the house, in the very wet house at the moment. Look at the state of that out there. Storm's going over us. Right, I have definitely got me brew. I'm going to have to make some t-shirts up, aren't I? Some caps. Is that getting too commercial? Yeah, it's not me, is it, really? Coffee this morning, and later on, some proper tea, lad. Right, what are we doing? Well, I have got a new vehicle to restore. And it's one that's quite appropriate in hindsight. I've already got one for Caroline for when she needs it, which she does need it now, to be fair. And she saw one online for £50, broken. Perfect for muggings here, isn't it? It's something I'm going to be needing. I need it sometimes right now, but I will be needing it in the future. So, what is it, you cry? Well, here's part of it. Yes, got some toast on the go. Here's part of it, if that will give you a clue. And there's no number plate. Yes, shop rider. Now this is very, very broken and very mucky. £50 buys me some dignity back, some whatever you want to call it, some freedom. When I'm in town shopping and stuff, because I can't ride my bike in town. Motorbike's great, you see, because you just sat there, aren't you? Literally just going like that and putting your feet down now and again. So that's fine, thankfully, thank God. I think there is a God. Right, do you want to see the rest of it? We can't see all of it because only a bit of it's here, but it's the main part. And here we are. This is my shop rider. 3000. As Derek would say, from Vice Grip Garage. No, it all looks nice and shiny, doesn't it? But trust me, when you get up close, it really isn't. Bit of a walk round for you. It's fourth hand. These are actually indicators. They're not. They're eyes. I could actually put a mouth there, couldn't I? Or something like that. But yeah, it's well used. There are no batteries. They were absolutely dead. So I don't actually know if it runs. It might run with the batteries on. I don't know. But yes, a mobility scooter. I take it that's sort of hare and the tortoise type thing there. Speed dial minimum going down, maximum going up. So you get regen braking, do we? That sounds good, doesn't it? So another look at it. Ow! This is just an up and coming. Oh, this is right up my street, isn't it? Absolutely, this is made for Eadsie to get stuck in. Take this apart. Treat the rust, get rid of the acid spills, and just do everything that needs doing to it. It is proper ganky. Now, I do know quite a bit about these things because obviously I've never said this before, but we already have one. I bought one for Caroline, and it's outside in that garage that I built. All will become apparent later. Just got to fix this somehow and apply for a logbook. Yes, you heard me right. To use these on the road, you need a logbook. They should have a logbook. You don't have a number plate with it, but they do come with a logbook. A proper... I'll show you the logbook in a bit. well, when I start the actual video itself of the restoration, I'll show you that at the start of that one, because I think she's put it away somewhere. But anyway, there we go. We've had it about a year and a half now, the other one. Right. Yeah, as you can see, now I've sent away already for the batteries. So when episode 1, oh look, oh, we got a little friend here. There's my little friend. Got some escargot. Yeah, so I bought 2 batteries for it. They were 100 quid for the 2. The 12 volts, 33 milliamp hours, or 33 amp hours. Don't know without look. Can't remember. Actually, we do have the batteries. They're actually out here, getting very wet because they don't hold a charge, and there's rust coming out of them and all that sort of thing. Let's have a look. 33 amp hour. Excellent. There we go. Run free! Run to the hills. Look at that weather. It's horrible. So this is just a prelude to that new video series that's going to be coming up. The seat is absolutely crawling to the point where Caroline said it's not coming in the house. It has to stay out. It's in her shed out there. So yeah, here is the garage that I built a couple of years ago. It's just it backs onto the fence, and that's where Caroline's beast is. Does 8 miles an hour, unlimited torque. Right. Anyway, I'm going to leave that there, guys. Just a taste of for what's coming up next. For God's sake, I'm being attacked by the fridge now. I'm going to have me brew, have me toast, and I'll catch you guys later. I'm looking forward to making episode 1 of this shop rider mobility scooter restoration, and I hope you'll come along with me on the journey. Sorry about the stuttering, but you see who I am these days. Right, take care. Bye bye.